To connect the domain in Squarespace, come into your settings, go to domains, and you'll see here you have a built-in domain. You can change this to your business name like I have here. And then you have a couple of options. You can either purchase a domain through Squarespace, in which case you would hit get a domain, type in your domain to make sure it's available. If it's available, you just click, hit checkout, and you can go through the process of purchasing that domain. Alternatively, you can use a domain you own. So if we click on that option, you could type in the domain that you own. So I'm going to type in Sweets and Money. Now you'll see here you have the option to either transfer your domain or connect your domain. I recommend connecting your domain. I like to keep my domains separate just in case I ever do decide to leave Squarespace, but you can choose which option is right for you. This is also a lot quicker and easier to do. So if we click connect domain, it's going to automatically register that I've purchased this domain through Google Domains. So you can click down here and pick your name and then hit connect domain, and it's going to make it really easy for you. All you have to do is sign into your account. It's going to ask if you want to connect it. I will hit yes, connect. And then it's just going to take me back to Squarespace. And as you can see, it is now connecting to my site. Now it sometimes takes a little while to connect. You'll see that this one is connected right away. It's perfect if you have a provider on that list. Now, if you have a domain that is not on that list, you would just select other when it says provider. And what that means is it's going to prompt you to fill in your DNS settings. So where this is located depends on who your provider is. So you would have to go into the back end of your provider. And what you're looking for is the DNS settings. So if I click here, you'll see here there's this button that says DNS settings. So if I click on this, you'll see I have these various records and they're all showing up green, they're all working and they're fine. What you would have to do is come into the back end of your provider. This, for me, it's Google Domains. So I'm going to come into my Sweets and Money domain, hit DNS settings, and you'll see here it's connected to Squarespace. But what I can do is I can click and I can delete this and I can add my own records. So I would just copy this. For example, I would come here, I would paste that in. It would be CNAME, and then I would put type CNAME, and then I would paste this information and I'd save it. Now I'm not going to go through it because I've connected it here already, but that's the steps you would follow if you're not on the providers list. Click other, go into the back end of your domain settings, find DNS settings, come in here and you would add those in.